Handa na po ba kayo tanggapin ako ulit bilang representative ng ating pinakaminamahal na Pilipinas?
Yes! Love it!
Basta,
Michelle, basta
tanong,
back to back
tanong,
yan, ha?
ito, handa ka na ba ulit?
Ay, lagi tayong handa. Nasa
Hashtag!
Ay, pero it takes a village to create a queen, kaya sana tanggapin ako ng aking team po ulit.
Yes! Hashtag di pa tapos.
Di pa tapos at hindi
Off
matatapos.
topic, magkikita, nandito ka ngayon sa Bangkok after so many years. May chance makita kayo ni Force. Halika na!
You know, we're friends, but you know, I'm very hectic now. I don't believe we have a chance to see each other for this trip, but we are friends.
How does it feel having this first project with Papa Nawat?
Ang saya. Ang saya. The energy is great. It's so organized.
Nag-usap lang
It's
kayo.
like when they say 7 on the dot, we're ready. And I appreciate the efficiency. I appreciate the energy. I appreciate how they've been taking care of us also. Na parang hindi ako nasa-stress. Kaya thank you so much, Papa Nawat, for the opportunity.
Did Papa Nawat ask you?
Thank you,
Did Papa Nawat
Michelle.
ask you to join?
Join MGI.
Oh my God!
Ay, ako buksak ko.
Yun na yun.
Saan mo first?
Paano kayo,
Yun na yung sagot.
paano kayo nag-usap mag-host doon sa panonood na nakita kayo sa MUPH?
When we were together at MUPH, magkatabi kami, and he invited me to watch. And he said that we would love to have you there, maybe participate in some way, but I didn't actually get the inquiry until I was in Switzerland just a few weeks ago. And he invited me to be one of the hosts. Siyempre, tanggap tayo agad. It's an amazing opportunity. And I've said it before that I've always wanted to experience the Miss Grand experience. And to have it on stage, I love being on stage. Kaya, syempre, nakakataba po.
And congratulations,
Guys,
ang galing-galing mo.
Thank you, guys.
so much.
Grabe, ang
Thank
ganda
you.
ng
Thank you,
tandem yung,
guys.
Dalawa ni Emma. Ay, tatlo ni Emma.
Panoorin na po yung aming podcast. It was my pilot episode.
Yes.
We had a long time.
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you so much.
Thank you, Michelle.
MMD!
Susi, buksak ko na ba?
Buksan mo siya.
Can you give us a like example, like for example, your introduction for MGI?
Ay, abangan
Ayan.
niyo yan.
Ay, wag mo na ngayon.
Ayan na, sample naman.
Si Emma, rehearse niya ng napakadaming beses. Kaya abangan niyo.
Ay,
Bye!
Thank you.
Thank you,
maraming
guys.
thank you.
thank you. See you, Michelle.
Ingat ah.
Ganda.